Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Going Places with Abu Micah. If this is your first time watching my videos, welcome to my channel. I talk about moving to Canada and living in Canada as an immigrant. If you're gonna move to Canada, chances are you're gonna shop at Walmart. If you shop at Walmart, chances are your cashier is gonna ask you or tell you about the Walmart Rewards Mastercard. So I thought I'd just do a mini review of the card, talk about the features, benefits, pros and cons, and then you can make up your mind as to whether you think this is something that you'll be interested in or not. But you're going to shop at Walmart, and you're going to come across these the Walmart Mastercard offer. So you're going to find out more about that. Do stay tuned. Right, so a bit of a background to this video. I worked at Walmart as a cashier, so it was my job to sell these Walmart Rewards Mastercard. So I'm going to talk about this from a point of knowledge as someone who's worked there and also as a customer who shops regularly at Walmart. Now, the Walmart Rewards Mastercard is a credit card that's part of Walmart's loyalty program. It basically rewards you in the form of dollar amounts, a percentage of your purchase, which is loaded back onto the card in the form of reward dollars. So your rewards are denominated in dollars. You typically get 1% of the purchase value loaded back onto the card in reward dollars, which you can redeem at Walmart. So as an example, you make a purchase of $1,000, then you'll get 1% of that amount, which is $10, loaded back onto the card in rewards dollars, and you can redeem that $10 at Walmart in store or online. Now, since it's a MasterCard, you can use it anywhere MasterCard is accepted, and you get the rewards. But because it's a Walmart card, you get more rewards if you shop at Walmart, right? So if you shop at Walmart, you get 1.25% instead of 1%, right? Now, Walmart has got two kinds of, rewards Mastercards. There's this one, which is the regular Mastercard, and then this one is the World Mastercard. Okay, so Walmart Rewards World Mastercard. For the purpose of this video, I'll just call this on the regular card. It's on the World Mastercard. So with the World Mastercard differs from the regular Mastercard in basically two main ways. Number one, with this one on walmart.ca, you get 3% instead of 1.25%. And then at any gas station, you get 1.25% instead of 1%. And then everywhere else, it's 1% like the regular card. To qualify for this one, you'd need an annual household income of 100,000 or more. That's information they collect at the time you apply. Or if you've got this card and you spend $15,000 or more in a year, then you can qualify for this one. I'm not sure if they call you to offer you this one, but I don't know. I don't know how that process works. Then in terms of the reward structure, I've already talked about it. 1.25%, and 1% everywhere else. And the World Mastercard, I've talked about the reward structure as well. The other feature of these Walmart Mastercards is that there's what's called the purchase protection plan. No, okay, there is a purchase protection plan. I'll talk about that later. What I want to talk about now is the installment plan. So if you purchase anything at Walmart using your credit card and you want to pay for it in installments over like a 6-month period, you can do that. You can split your purchase into 6 equal monthly installments at 0% interest. Okay, so that's another cool feature. But the purchase has to be $200 or more. Of course, they say $199.99, but hey, $200, right? So $200 and above, you can split your purchase into 6 installments at 0% interest. Of course, there is a setup fee, which is 2.5%. So you might as well just say, well, they charge me 2.5% interest for 6 months, but still a good deal if you ask me. So that's the reward structure, the installment plan. There are some optional extras that you can get, like there's what's called a balance protection plan. So this one basically covers your minimum payments in the event that you can't pay your minimum payments on the card. I don't recommend carrying a balance on these cards, on the retail credit cards, because the interest rate is just too high. Of course, with the Walmart Mastercard, it's standard. Everybody sort of like gives you 19.99% on purchases, 23% on cash advances. So typically it will be like plus or minus that range. But I wouldn't recommend carrying a balance on these cards. Rather, if you have to carry a balance on the card issued by your bank, which has a lower interest. Okay, so there are banks that have got credit cards at interest rates of like 5%. 13%, things like that. Rather carry a balance on 13% than on 23%, right? Application process is done at the till. Every Walmart cashier is trained to sell these credit cards. If your Walmart cashier doesn't ask you about the Walmart credit card, doesn't tell you about the Walmart credit card, they're not doing the job as per training. So you can apply at the till. The nice thing with the Walmart Mastercard is you don't have to wait for the physical card to be delivered to your house, to your address before you can start shopping. You can start shopping right away. When you're approved, you get a temporary shopping pass. You can use that to even complete the purchase that you're making at the time of application. Walmart had this promotion, I'm not sure if it's still running, but they had this promotion which they kept extending, whereby if you apply for Walmart Mastercard, get approved, spend $50 or more, then you can get $25 in welcome bonus. So $15 guaranteed, $10 if you sign up for paperless statements. Okay, so yeah, so that's about the features. There's no annual fee on this card, so you don't have to pay anything. I've talked about the reward structure. I've talked about the installment plan. There's also a purchase protection. Typically, when you shop at Walmart, you can return just about anything within 90 days. But with the Walmart credit card, if you purchase with the Walmart credit card, I think one of these two, you can get an extended warranty on your purchases, on, of course, eligible purchases, just by virtue of you having purchased with the Walmart Mastercard. Okay, so yeah, so that's what I can say about it. The rewards are redeemable only at Walmart. Okay, I think I've mentioned that. So you can't use the rewards to pay your balance, right? So you have to use the rewards for purchases at Walmart, online or in store. You redeem the rewards at increments of $5. So every time you get $5, you know, you can keep accumulating them, you know, up until you get to like 200 or 300 or whatever, and then you can go on a shopping spree for $300 at Walmart, you know, things like that. How I recommend using this card. Oh, the other thing as well is, and it's a plus, you can pay it off at the till. So you can make payments at the till. You don't have to go to customer service. You don't have to transfer money or whatever. But when you shop, what smart people do is when they make the purchase, you know, at the cashier, they just immediately pay it off, right? So you purchase for $72 with your Walmart credit card, and then you immediately pay, you know, your $72 in cash or, you know, debit card or whatever, right? So that's smart. That way you don't have to worry about interest. You don't have to worry about, you know, balances or things like that. Yeah, so that's about the features. Talked about the protection plan, purchase plan, installment plan, interest, rewards program, and application process. You can also apply online on walmart.ca. So personally, so if you shop regularly at Walmart, like if you shop at Walmart a lot, then you might find it useful to have the card, because if you're just gonna purchase with your debit card or with cash, you're not getting anything for it, right? But if you're financially disciplined, and you just want to play the rewards game, then I mean, you can get the credit card and be rewarded for stuff that you do every day. Personally, I don't like retail credit cards that force me to change my buyer behavior, change my purchase behavior, right? So there's stuff that I do every day, right? There's stuff that I do. I have expenses that I incur on a monthly basis. I pay insurance for this car. I pay insurance for the apartment we're renting. I pay for my internet, my phone. You know, I buy gas for my car. I buy groceries and things like that, right? So the deal is, you know, if you just put as much of those purchases through a credit card and then pay it off, you just stock up on the rewards. So you have to then do your own calculations. See, okay, I've got a credit card from TD Bank. What does this card give me for every, let's say I'm spending $1,000 with the card, right? What am I getting out of it, right? So, I mean, I shop at Walmart a lot. Like, I think almost 80% of my groceries are from Walmart. The other 20% is from your Canadian superstore. So, you know, if I'm gonna purchase there, you know, I'll have to weigh out, you know, whether I should be shopping at Walmart with my TD Scotiabank credit card, or with my Walmart credit card, or with my whatever Amazon credit card. Amazon also has a credit card, guys. That one gives you 3%, but I don't shop on Amazon a lot. Like, maybe I do Amazon purchases maybe I don't know, about 3 times a year. so it may not be worth it. But if I'm spending like $500-600 every month at Walmart, I mean, I might as well get something out of it, right? But hey, do the homework, look at different credit card offers, look at what they give you for doing what you do every day. Okay, so what matters to you and who's giving you what matters to you? Some people like being rewarded with air miles, with flights. There are cards like TD Aeroplan, things like that. I mean, I don't know. I'll probably do some credit card reviews, but anyway, I hope you found this video useful. If you did, give it a thumbs up, guys. If you liked it, and I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. Anything you want me to talk about. And please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss out on the next video. I am doing a series on how to come to Canada, so please follow that. And guys, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.